the complete guide to 7 stunning border edger perennials. Your garden edges are showing right now, and they're either pulling your whole yard together or dragging it down. The difference isn't complicated landscaping, expensive materials, or years of experience. It comes down to knowing exactly which plants belong in front, and we're showing you 7 of them today. Sam here from Seniors Gardening Advice, and what you're about to learn will transform your garden beds from looking scattered and messy into polished, professionally designed spaces. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a gardening tip that makes this much of a difference. Why garden borders matter more than you think. A properly designed garden border creates something most gardeners overlook: intention. When your front edge is clean and controlled, it sends a message that your entire garden is planned, not accidental. The trouble is, most people pile random plants at the edge and hope it works out. It doesn't. Your border plants need to stay short, stay tidy, and stay put. They need to do the heavy lifting of making your whole garden look finished. The right edging plants are the unsung heroes of landscape design. They create visual boundaries between your lawn and your planting beds. They guide your eye through the garden. They soften hard edges while keeping everything looking neat and intentional. This is why professional landscapers use the exact same approach in every single project, because it works. Today we're breaking down 7 perennials that excel at this job. Each one has been chosen for its ability to stay compact, require minimal fussing, and deliver both structure and beauty. Whether your style is traditional cottage gardens, clean, modern design, or something in between, these plants will transform your borders. So grab a notebook because you'll want to jot these down. Don't forget to like this video if you love gardening tips, and drop a comment telling us which border style you're most excited to try. Border Edger Perennial Number 1, the soft pink variety, Geranium Biocovo. Starting with a plant that quietly transforms any garden edge into something polished and intentional. This low-growing, soft-textured perennial creates what designers call a clean visual line without ever looking stiff or rigid. The beauty of Border Edger Number 1 lies in its controlled growth pattern. It spreads slowly and settles into the front of your beds with a graceful shape that never flops outward or creeps aggressively into spaces where it doesn't belong. The foliage maintains its attractive appearance from early spring all the way through late fall, giving your borders visual interest even when flowers aren't blooming. When this plant does flower, it produces delicate white blooms with just a hint of soft pink, the kind of subtle color that doesn't shout for attention, but gently guides your eye along the border. That's exactly what a good edging plant should do. It should enhance what's behind it, not compete for focus. The growth habit is tight and mounded, creating what landscape designers call a designed edge, rather than a messy, natural-looking sprawl. No excessive pruning needed, no staking, no surprising growth spurts that require constant maintenance. It simply does its job season after season. In your landscape, Border Edger Number 1 pairs beautifully with taller plants positioned behind it. Think about layering it in front of hostas, catmint, lavender, or lady's mantle. These combinations create depth and dimension that make your entire bed feel more sophisticated. You can plant it along walkways, curve it around garden corners, or use it to soften the base of shrubs for an elegant transition that looks naturally planned. The foliage texture is fine and detailed, which means even a small strip of this plant brings a finished quality that many gardeners don't achieve. Professional landscapers know this secret. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest impact. Border Edger Perennial Number 2, the Hot Pink Edition, Dianthus Fire Witch. Now we're moving to a plant that brings crisp definition and bold visual impact. Border Edger Perennial Number 2 is a compact edging plant that delivers personality without overwhelming your design. This plant forms a neat, mounded shape that naturally creates a clean line along pathways and bed edges. But the real showstopper is the color. Those hot pink blooms catch your eye and create an instant focal point. The interesting part is how it manages to be bold without feeling chaotic. That's because the flowers sit above blue-gray foliage that provides contrast and keeps the overall effect polished. Here's what makes border edger perennial number 2 so reliable as an edger. It stays uniform and tidy. It rarely flops outward or stretches beyond its intended space. This is crucial. You need plants you can count on to hold their shape without constant fussing. This one does exactly that. The fine blue-gray foliage is attractive even when the plant isn't flowering. This means your borders look intentional year-round, not just during the bloom season. The foliage provides a cooling visual effect that balances the heat of the pink flowers beautifully. Border edger perennial number 2 thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil, making it especially reliable in front row positions where many plants struggle with moisture and competition. It's a plant that delivers both structure and personality. It blends cottage charm with modern neatness, no small feat. In your garden design, plant border edger perennial number 2 along walkways, at the front of mixed borders, or in repeating clusters to create visual rhythm and flow. Pair it with lavender, catmint, or other compact geraniums for a harmonious blend of textures and colors. Whether you use it as a single accent or repeat it multiple times for impact, this plant guarantees that finished, polished look without demanding extra effort from you. If you're enjoying these plant recommendations, please share this video with someone who loves gardening. Help us grow the Seniors Gardening Advice community.
Border edger perennial number 3, the cascading white variety, Veronica whitewater. Let's talk about a plant that creates crisp edges without feeling heavy or overgrown. Border edger perennial number 3 is a low-trailing perennial that transforms how your borders appear to visitors. The bright green foliage combined with white to soft lavender blooms creates a clean, refreshing line that instantly makes any garden bed appear neater and more intentional. This is a plant that works in small spaces beautifully because it spreads just enough to soften edges while remaining controlled and purposeful. Border edger perennial number 3 excels at creating what we call living outlines for your beds. It forms a tight cascading mat that naturally follows the contours of pathways and garden edges. The plant typically grows only a few inches tall, so it never blocks other plants or competes for visual attention. Instead, it provides structure while adding delicate spring and early summer color. This cascading habit is important for several reasons. First, it softens hard edges naturally without looking forced. Second, it creates a finished appearance that looks professionally designed. Third, it requires minimal maintenance because it doesn't grow tall enough to need pruning or staking. The bloom season spans spring through early summer, providing reliable color during the time when many gardens are still establishing themselves after winter. The flowers are delicate and abundant, creating a carpet of color rather than individual blooms scattered through the foliage. In your landscape, border edger perennial number 3 works brilliantly along walkways, between stepping stones, or at the front of layered beds where you want both softness and definition. Combine it with border edger perennial number 1, small hostas, or border edger perennial number 2 for a cohesive, refined look that feels thoughtfully designed. What makes border edger perennial number 3 special is its quiet elegance. It never demands attention, never flops or sprawls, and never disappoints. It's one of those plants that elevates everything around it simply by being well-behaved and appropriate for its role.
Border edger perennial number 4, the soft-textured leader, lady's mantle. Moving to a plant that brings instant calm and visual cohesion to any garden space, border edger perennial number 4 is soft-textured and produces a gentle, almost romantic quality in your borders. The scalloped, velvety leaves naturally spill forward in a gentle mound, creating a clean, finished line without looking forced or overly formal. This is the kind of plant that makes gardens feel welcoming and thoughtfully designed, rather than rigid and over-controlled. Here's something magical about border edger perennial number 4 that many gardeners discover for the first time. When morning dew collects on the foliage, the leaves seem to glow from within. This luminous quality subtly elevates your entire bed, adding a touch of magic that no other plant provides quite the same way. Border edger perennial number 4 earns its reputation as a reliable edger through its tidy growth habit and exceptional ability to unify mixed plantings. It stays compact, rarely flops, and fills gaps with an effortless drape that makes your borders look intentional rather than patchy or incomplete. In late spring through early summer, this plant produces airy, chartreuse-colored flower clusters that float above the foliage. This light, almost ethereal color pairs beautifully with purple flowers, blue-toned plants, and pink bloomers. It acts as a bridge color that helps different plants in your border look like they belong together rather than scattered randomly. The growth habit is naturally mounded and contained. You won't find this plant creeping where it doesn't belong or requiring constant pruning to keep it in line. It knows its place and stays there, which is exactly what you need from a border edger. In your landscape design, border edger perennial number 4 excels at softening the front of beds, edging pathways, or blending transitions between hardscape elements like patios and planting areas. It's especially striking when planted beside geraniums, Dianthus varieties, lavender, or hostas, where its unique texture provides visual contrast without overwhelming the composition. No matter where you place border edger perennial number 4, it brings gentleness, structure, and that polished, designed appearance that every gardener wants their borders to have.
Border edger perennial number 5, the tiny powerhouse Hosta mouse ears. Now we're looking at a plant that delivers substantial charm in a remarkably small package. Border edger perennial number 5 is a miniature Hosta variety that creates perfectly neat mounds, instantly giving your borders a tidy, deliberately designed edge. This little plant is remarkable because it adds polish and sophistication without stealing space from surrounding plants. In small gardens or narrow planting areas, border edger perennial number 5 becomes invaluable. It provides the structure and definition you need without sprawling outward or competing for real estate. Border edger perennial number 5 stands out because of several key features. The compact size, typically under 6 to 8 inches tall, keeps it naturally controlled and incredibly easy to place precisely where you want it. The foliage is dense, glossy, and remarkably slug-resistant thanks to its thicker leaf texture. This means far less pest pressure compared to larger Hosta varieties, reducing maintenance headaches considerably. The mounded form creates a clean visual rhythm along your borders, turning ordinary garden edges into thoughtful design elements. Each plant looks sculpted, almost like you intentionally shaped it into that perfect form. In reality, it's just the plant's natural growth habit. Plant border edger perennial number 5 along pathways, at the front of borderlines, or around stepping stones for subtle structure that lasts throughout the entire season. The foliage holds its color and appearance from spring through fall, providing consistent visual interest during most of the growing year. In your broader landscape design, this Hosta pairs beautifully with border edger perennial number 1, Dianthus varieties, Veronica, and other small-scale perennials. Whether you use it as a repeating accent creating rhythm or in small clusters for emphasis, border edger perennial number 5 brings order, elegance, and just the right amount of charm to make your entire garden feel more intentional. Border edger perennial number 6, the fragrant classic, Lavender hidcoat. Let's turn our attention to one of the most dependable edging plants in existence. Border edger perennial number 6 creates that clean, intentional ribbon of color along garden borders that professional designers rely on consistently. Its compact shape, deep violet flower spikes, and soft silvery foliage instantly give your beds a polished, Mediterranean-inspired appearance without ever looking stiff or over-designed. Even a short row of border edger perennial number 6 transforms a simple border into something that feels curated, inviting, and carefully planned. The plant naturally stays tidy and low, typically under 2 feet in height, making it ideal for outlining pathways, framing garden beds, and adding structure beside hardscape elements like patios or fences. This controlled size is crucial for maintaining clean, professional-looking borders. Border edger perennial number 6 thrives in full sun and actually prefers poor, fast-draining soil. This is important because it means it will perform well in tough conditions where other plants struggle. In fact, harsh conditions often reward you with richer color and more fragrant blooms from this plant. It's one of the few plants that performs better when you're not overwatering or over-fertilizing. The uniform size and slow, controlled growth pattern ensure your edging always looks even, balanced, and easy to maintain throughout the year.
You get consistency and reliability, two qualities that make gardening more enjoyable for everyone, but especially for seasoned gardeners who value their time. This perennial brings movement, fragrance, and unmistakable charm to any border design. Use it as a continuous line to define curves through your garden. Pair it with roses for a classic cottage garden contrast that's been popular for centuries. Or repeat it in small clusters to create rhythm that guides visitors' eyes through your outdoor space. With minimal effort, Border Edger Perennial No. 6 makes every bed feel more intentional and elevates your entire garden space with timeless lavender elegance that never goes out of style. Subscribe now to Seniors Gardening Advice so you never miss our plant recommendations and gardening tips. We release new content regularly to help you create the garden you've always wanted. Border Edger Perennial No. 7, the airy finisher, Nepeta Persian Blue, closing our list with a graceful, free-flowing perennial that adds soft, airy edges to any border design. Border Edger Perennial No. 7 creates what landscape professionals call the effortless designer look that you usually only see in professionally planned gardens. Those clouds of lavender blue flowers spill gently over the front of garden beds with a natural ease that belies careful planning. Even a small planting brings movement, color, and visual cohesion, instantly tying your whole border together in a way that makes people stop and say, "Your garden is beautiful." Border Edger Perennial No. 7 works beautifully as an edger because of its neat mounding shape and incredibly long bloom season. It stays compact, resists flopping outward, and produces flowers repeatedly from late spring through summer. A light trim after the first bloom flush encourages additional flowering without requiring heavy pruning or complex maintenance. The gray-green foliage adds a calming silvery tone that pairs well with almost any plant style, from traditional cottage borders to clean modern garden layouts. This color harmony means you can combine Border Edger Perennial No. 7 with almost any other plant and achieve a cohesive look. In your landscape, this Catmint excels at softening hard edges, guiding the eye along pathways, and filling the front of beds with consistent, blended texture. It's also a magnet for bees and butterflies, bringing activity and life to your garden spaces. The plant thrives in heat and sun and requires almost no maintenance, making it one of the easiest ways to achieve that polished, intentional finish without extra effort. The long bloom period is particularly valuable because it provides reliable color during the entire growing season. You're not dealing with a plant that blooms for 3 weeks and then disappears. This one keeps producing flowers when you need them most. Bringing it all together, creating your border design. A well-designed garden border doesn't require complicated landscaping techniques or expensive materials. Sometimes the right edging plants like these 7 perennials, are all it takes to make your entire garden look intentional, polished, and beautifully pulled together. The 7 plants we've covered today all share similar qualities. They stay low and tidy, they don't flop or sprawl, they create visual boundaries between lawn and planting beds, they provide color or textural interest, and they require minimal maintenance once established. Choose one plant and repeat it along your entire border for a modern, streamlined look, or combine several of these perennials for a cottage garden feel with more variety and visual interest. There's no single correct answer. The best choice is the one that matches your personal style and garden conditions. The key is understanding that your border plants are doing critical work. They're the frame for your entire painting. Get the frame right, and everything inside it looks better. Neglect the border, and even the most beautiful plants in your bed will look less impressive. These 7 Border Edger perennials deliver that finished, cohesive, professionally planned appearance that makes people ask questions about your garden and feel welcome in your outdoor space. Your garden will instantly feel more designed, more intentional, and more beautiful from every angle. And isn't that what we're all trying to achieve? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more gardening wisdom from Sam at Seniors Gardening Advice. Share this video with friends who love gardens. Leave a comment telling us which border plants you're most excited to try. Your feedback helps our community grow, and it helps us create more content tailored to what you actually want to learn.
Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!